What's in this mystery box? Stay around till the end of the video to find out what's in this mystery box. Give me at least 10 minutes of watch time and you'll find out what's in this secret mystery box at the end of the video.
Wait, Biaheza is too nice. I'll fix this. Okay, roll this again.
What's in this mystery box? Stay around till the end of the video
to find out what's in this mystery box. Give me at least
10 minutes of watch time and you'll find out what's in this secret mystery box at the end of the video.
Biaheza, I dare say, the most honest finance YouTuber with a huge platform, has finally said what everyone's thinking. YouTube has allowed that the most viewed videos on the platform are not those with the highest quality content, but those that lie and manipulate viewers the best. Let me first show you what Biaheza said, and then I'll show you what that video of his cost.
Because honestly, at this point, for me to grow my income with YouTube, I'd have to either get more loose with the brand deals I accept.
Like I said, Biaheza is too nice and chooses words that won't hurt anyone. So when he says in order to grow and make money on YouTube, he would have to become more loose with the brand deals he accepts, he means all those scams and semi-scams, such as FTX or established titles, that big YouTubers drag their viewers into.
Start posting regurgitated videos every day.
I'm sure that each of you has already experienced the disappointment and regret of having lost 10-15 minutes of your life that you can never get back, watching a YouTuber who promises you at the beginning of the video that you will get information which will benefit you at the end of the video, but at the end you get... I'll show you at the end, when I open that mystery box, what they tell you.
Or go full guru mode, get predatory with course marketing, hire a sales team, and start upselling on crazy services.
In short, to become a scammer. The gurus who make the most money use YouTube to recruit new suckers to buy their courses. You can find all these gurus covered in CoffeeZilla's videos. They create a course by collecting information that can be found all over the internet for free. Then they raise the price of those courses so much that the innocent observer thinks that there is some value in them. Then they promise people that they will become rich after completing the course. Then when you buy it, they start upselling. This means that the course you paid for first does not have the information that will help you earn money. When you buy a higher level of the course, in which you are again promised that you will get the information, they tell you that you should buy an even higher level because that is where the information is hidden, and so on. Here, one of them, Kevin David, was fined $2.6 million by the Federal Trade Commission for making false claims that those who bought his $100,000 course would make big bucks. And that guy was thriving on YouTube for years with almost 1.5 million subscribers.
I don't think I really want to sell my soul like that.
I don't know if Biaheza expected his video to cause a reaction. I mean, he just made a video to explain to his viewers why he hasn't posted anything in a couple of months, but here we are. A ton of major channels have come out to support and say the same. Traversy Media, Patrick CC, Clever Programmer, AlumiTube, Ali Abdaal, Nate O'Brien, Brad Finn, WhiteBoard Finance, How Money Works, Trades by Matt, Rickster2344, Jordan Welch, Blazendary, and many others. As you can see, there are not only finance YouTubers here, but also from other niches. So it's about the paradigm that reigns on the platform. The YouTube algorithm sends a message: either become a liar, a scammer, or leave YouTube.